This is how Puerto Rico sounds. And this is the singer. Meet the coquí, an endemic Puerto Rican amphibian with 14 species, 3 of them currently endangered. For Puerto Ricans, the call is a melody of identity and pride. But for visitors, it's not the same. In May 2025, a Reddit post from a tourist asking how to kill the coquís for being annoying sparked national outrage.
Y al que no le gusta el coquí, que se vaya pa'l carajo.
As a foreign brand, Hyundai decided to remind visitors what Puerto Rican pride sounds like right where they arrive first. Introducing Coqui Alarmed. We turned Hyundai's rental fleet into cultural ambassadors, replacing the factory alarm sound with one that carried a greater purpose. From this to this.
El canto del coquí es un llamado de apareamiento. Los machos cantan para atraer a las hembras. Esfuerzos como este ayudan a que los coquís se puedan reproducir.
Oh my God, this sounds like a coquí!
Sounds like a Puerto Rican frog, guys. Oh my God.
You're gonna love this sound instead of hating it.
Resulta que los autos en su flota de alquiler de la marca Hyundai van a incluir el sonido del coquí.
At the peak of the controversy, the South Korean brand amplified the sound of Puerto Rico, and the world listened the coquí, so much that people began requesting the coquí sound for their own Hyundai vehicles. Some were even sold with the modification already installed. What started as an instant cultural response turned into a conservation effort through the sound of every alarm, ensuring that every rented car helped the coquí sing on.